Hopefully you enjoyed the quiet weather today, the mild temperatures, because some big changes for us as we go through the weekend and especially into early next week. A lovely shot here of Mount Shasta. A lot of the clouds breaking up over the last hour. 49 degrees currently in town. Here's a look at the big picture across the Pacific Northwest. We're tracking our next storm system, and this is mainly going to move in tomorrow night on into Saturday morning, where we're going to get some rain and higher elevation snow showers to push through at least parts of the region into your Valentine's Day. Not looking like a total washout for Valentine's Day. In the meantime, tonight it is going to be dry. 33 degrees the overnight low in Medford, down to 24 in Klamath Falls, and 27 degrees in Mount Shasta. Areas of low clouds and fog developing in many of our inland valleys. Tomorrow we will see clouds going on the increase across the region through the afternoon, up to 55 degrees in Medford, 53 in Grants Pass, up to 49 in Klamath Falls, and 53 degrees in Wairika. So still pretty mild for tomorrow. And then looking ahead to Valentine's Day in the Rogue Valley, we will likely see showers earlier in the day, cloudy skies, some breaks of sunshine into the afternoon. But if you're going to be heading out for Valentine's Day dinner, it does look like it should be pretty quiet. Temperatures will be in the 40s at 6 o'clock. Here's a look at rainfall for the region through Saturday. Notice the higher precipitation amounts closer to the coast, but for most spots, likely less than 1/10 of an inch. And the further east and south you go, likely going to be mainly dry, maybe some trace amounts. Snowfall mainly above 5,000 feet, especially up along the Cascades. It's really going to be Crater Lake and as we go towards Diamond Lake, where we could get 1 to 2 inches or so of snow. But yeah, not too terribly impactful when it comes to travel into Valentine's Day with this first wave of precipitation. Here's Futurecast. Tomorrow looks mainly dry. Notice the increased cloud cover by late in the day heading home from work and school. And then here come the showers tomorrow night into Saturday morning. Some snow showers up along the Cascades. But as we go through the afternoon, a lot of this pulling away for the most part. Plenty of cloud cover, but a few peaks of sunshine will be possible later in the day on Saturday. And then into Sunday, here comes the next round of rain and higher elevation snow. This one is going to be a little bit stronger, a little bit of a wetter storm system. So we should see some decent snow, especially in the Mount Shasta area. And look at how the snow levels lower. We're tracking another storm system Monday into Tuesday. That one, some heavier precipitation. And look how those snow levels get down to some of our lower west side passes and maybe even some valley snowfall potential later on Tuesday into Tuesday night. We'll be tracking that closely, but definitely early next week, we will see a bigger impact to travel in the region because of winter weather. In the meantime, the coast, wet weather returns as we head into the weekend. Northern California trending wetter as we go towards Sunday and then on into Monday. For the basin, finally some accumulating snow in the forecast into President's Day and Tuesday as those snow levels come down. Highs only in the 30s next week. Up in the mountains, travel will become more difficult as we head towards early next week. We'll be tracking that closely. And then in the Rogue Valley, dry tomorrow, some showers on Valentine's Day, then trending wetter into early next week.